Okay, so what does an online course look and feel like? Well, let's go into the StepMath summer course and see what it really looks like, see what the player is like. So I'm going to resume my course because I'm already enrolled into it. You can see here that this is the course player. These are all the questions. So if we just zoom through, these are the questions which will be in this particular course. In green writing, we have hints, questions which don't give the game away, but help you think about the mathematics in an appropriate manner to get you thinking about the question in the right way. Okay, now suppose you were doing this particular question and you got a little bit stuck. Well, good news is in the next chapter we've got hints and solution videos. So I would look for this particular question, and we've got two videos here. The first one is a glossary video. So if you just didn't know what proof by contradiction was at all, this video teaches you what it is. And then below you've got the hints and video solution for the step question itself. Now, the good thing about being able to do this in your own home or with your own device is that you can play the video until you get just enough of a hint to be able to carry on the question on your own. You can then continue. It's really good to be able to try the question in your own time, spend a long time thinking about it, as it really improves your problem solving skills. But say then you get stuck again, you can just play for a little bit longer and then have a bit more time to continue. You can actually think about the problem overnight and then come back to it the next day and then try the question then, and when you're ready you can watch the whole solution video. Our videos are unique in that we don't just go through that particular question. We talk about the concepts, the topics, the key ideas that the question covered, so that when you come across similar topics in the future, you'll be able to apply the skills that you've learned. We'll also at the end try and summarize where the examiner is coming from so that you really get a really good understanding of the question. Each particular course covers special topics. Here in this particular course, which is part 1, we cover integer problems, proof by contradiction, proof by counterexample, inequalities, and splitting problems into cases. And we didn't want to remove the interactive element altogether. You might be thinking, well, if I'm just stuck in front of a screen, how do I know if I'm doing it correctly or not? Well, what we're including with these courses as a bonus is 5 extra questions which relate to the same topics as the course covered, but completely separate questions. And we're going to give you the opportunity to send these questions, well, attempt the questions and send the answers, your solutions, to one of our tutors to get them marked, graded, and to get very detailed feedback on your answers. Would this question gain full marks in an exam situation? Basically, you get to work through the course at your own pace and also get feedback on questions that you attempt on your own. It really is a very, very comprehensive course. As already mentioned, it's 17 days worth of information, but you're not doing it all in one go. You can space it out, you can have time to think about it, you can come back to the videos and watch them as often as you need to until your step exam. So please do let us know if you have any questions. We genuinely think that this is a really, really good way to learn. And you might be thinking, well, I'm not going to be at a physical course, maybe it won't be as good. From our experience, people have really learnt a lot from these courses. If you would like a free trial, please do email us at info@stepmaths.co.uk. We're welcoming your questions and we'd love to show you our platform. Thank you very much. Look forward to hearing from you.